bicycle and motorbike hero. Hello dear friends, I'm Daniel. Welcome to my program today. Today I want to talk about playing, bicycle riding, and toy motorbikes for children. I really enjoy riding my bicycle and my little motorbike. When I go outside and play, I feel happy and excited. Fresh air, outdoor games, and exercise are very important for children. Childhood is one of the most beautiful times in life. During childhood, children learn many important things. They learn how to play, how to make friends, and how to be kind to others. Playing is not only for fun, it also helps children grow physically and mentally. Bicycle riding is one of the best activities for children. It helps make the body stronger and healthier. It also teaches balance, confidence, and focus. When children ride bicycles, they become more active and energetic. When I ride my bicycle, I feel free. I enjoy the wind, the movement, and the fun of riding outside. Sometimes I ride with my friends, and we laugh and enjoy our time together. Exercise is very important because it makes the body strong, keeps children healthy, helps the mind relax, and builds self-confidence. Toy motorbike riding is also exciting for children. When I ride my little motorbike, I feel like a little hero. It gives me confidence and happiness. But safety is always important. Children should always play in safe places. Stay away from dangerous roads. Ride carefully. And listen to their parents. Today many children spend too much time using phones, tablets, and video games indoors. Spending too much time inside is not healthy. It can make children less active and tire their eyes. Outdoor activities are much better because children become healthier, happier, and more active. They also learn teamwork and friendship while playing with others. I really enjoy nature. I love trees, flowers, fresh air, and hearing birds outside. Playing outdoors makes me feel calm and happy. Sometimes I ride bicycles with my family. These moments are very special because we spend time together, exercise together, and enjoy each other's company. Parents should encourage children to exercise every day, play healthy games, spend more time outdoors, and follow their dreams. Every child has a special talent. Some children love sports, some enjoy drawing, and others enjoy reading or studying. Every child should be encouraged to discover their talents and abilities. Playing and sports help children become stronger, kinder, more social, and more confident. When I play with my friends, I learn how to work together, share, wait patiently, and respect others. These lessons are important for life and for the future. My dear friends, always try to stay active. Exercise, respect your parents, and never stop smiling. Thank you for watching my program today. Please like, subscribe, and leave your comments. Until next time, stay happy, healthy, and successful.